Watch out the easiest way to solve this quadratic equation where the leading coefficient is greater than 1 by factoring. The first step is to bring down 18 and 14. Then we are going to use the sign convention. If you don't know about the sign convention, please check out my video on how to solve quadratic equation by factoring, the easiest approach. In this sign convention, when the sign of AC is negative and the sign of B is negative, we are going to have a negative subtraction between the two factors, or you can say that the greater factor is going to be negative and the smaller factor is going to be positive. Now, applying the sign convention, we assign minus to 18 and plus to 14, and that adds up to give us minus 4. But that's not what we want, right? The next step is to break down these factors and recombine them. So we are going to break down 18 to have 3 and 6. We are going to break down 14 to have 2 and 7. Combine 6 and 2 to have 12. Combine 3 and 7 to have 21. Just like before, we are going to assign plus to 12 and minus to 21. And that adds up to give us minus 9. And that's what we want. The next step is to put this factor in a bracket to have x plus 12, x minus 21 is equals to 0. Divide 12 and 21 by the leading coefficient 18, which reduces to give us x plus 2 over 3, x minus 7 over 6 is equals to 0. We are going to equate these factors to 0 to have x plus 2 over 3 is equals to 0, or x minus 7 over 6 is equals to 0. The final answer is going to give us x is equals to minus 2 over 3, or x is equals to 7 over 6.